This video will show you how you can use Letterland at home. The first thing you have to do is have your child go to STAU's website and log on with their Wake ID. So they'll click the Students tab and then go down to 0 for the Google Wake ID login. You will need their student number in order to log in. You'll have to choose that they're a student, and then you'll have to type in their student number for their user ID and then for their password. That will take you to the Wake ID portal. And of course, your child will have different apps than I have because this is a teacher account, but they will have a Letterland app just like I do. So they can choose Letterland. And there are two things that I recommend in Letterland. The first thing is meet the Letterlanders. We do this in English class every 2 weeks during progress monitoring. So the children are very familiar with how to do this. And they can choose Meet the Letterlanders. And then they can learn about any of the Letterlanders that they would like to listen to the songs and the stories. Or another option that I recommend is the phonics readers. You can choose phonics readers, and these phonics readers are presented in the order that we have taught the letters to the students. So, for instance, if you start here at the very beginning, the children only need to know these 4-letter sounds in order to read the book. There are a few tricky words or sight words, and those will always be listed in the front of the book. Now, and is not really a tricky word because it is regular and they can sound that out, but they haven't learned to do blends yet, so you might want to make sure they can read the word and. So make sure they know the tricky words, and then your child should be able to read this book all on their own. At the very end of the books, there are comprehension questions that you could use to discuss with your children if you wanted to, and there are also some